Are you in need of accurate and efficient drafting services? Look no further. Welcome to Dwelup Corporation, your trusted partner for all your AutoCAD needs. In this video, we will introduce you to the world of AutoCAD and how our company can assist you in achieving your drafting goals. Let's dive right in. AutoCAD logo. AutoCAD, developed by Autodesk, is the leading software in the field of computer-aided design, CAD. It revolutionized the way architectural and engineering drawings are created, enabling professionals to design and draft with precision and speed. AutoCAD interface. So, how does AutoCAD work? At its core, AutoCAD uses a vector-based approach to create and manipulate 2D and 3D designs. Demonstrate basic drafting operations like drawing lines, creating shapes, and adding dimensions in AutoCAD. Now that you have a glimpse of AutoCAD's capabilities, let's talk about Dwelup Corporation. We are a leading provider of drafting services using AutoCAD, catering to a wide range of industries, including architecture, engineering, construction, and manufacturing. Dwelup Corporation logo and tagline: your partner in precision drafting. At Dwelup Corporation, we understand the importance of accurate and detailed drawings. Our team of skilled and experienced drafters utilizes AutoCAD to deliver high-quality drafting services tailored to our clients' specific requirements. Showcase examples of different types of drawings created by Dwelup Corporation. On-screen visuals. Whether you need assistance with creating floor plans, elevations, sections, or even 3D models, our drafting experts are here to help. With our in-depth knowledge of AutoCAD and industry best practices, we ensure that every drawing we produce meets the highest standards of precision and clarity. In addition to our drafting services, Dwelup Corporation also offers value-added solutions such as CAD conversion, drawing revisions, and customization. We strive to be your one-stop solution for all your AutoCAD needs. We pride ourselves on building long-term relationships with our clients and delivering exceptional results that exceed expectations. So, whether you are an architect, engineer, contractor, or manufacturer, trust Dwelup Corporation to provide you with top-notch drafting services on AutoCAD. Contact us today to discuss your project requirements and let us bring your vision to life. Dwelup Corporation, your partner in precision drafting. Dwelup Corporation, your trusted AutoCAD drafting partner.